So let's start modeling the eyes. Couldn't wait for this. Select the eye model and let's first rotate it. Right now it's facing this side, which I like, but then it's almost too much. So if you hold down and snap it, hold on out, snap it to the top view, press R to rotate. Just rotate that guy. Doesn't look like it's rotating to me. I don't know. Shift H to isolate it, rotate it about the side, and then Alt H to show everything except the high poly. Now it's almost facing the side, which that's what we want. Now modeling the eye, Shift H again, isolate that. Select the eye model, press tab to enter edit mode, and I think we shouldn't rotate it. Let's start with modeling it first, because it's gonna have problem with snapping. So what about that? I'm gonna undo the rotation. Let's make sure that it's facing this way. Yep. Press tab, because I want to be able to snap to the left and right. Say like this. Press G, push this outwards, like so. In the x-axis, so G and X. Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, press escape, press S to scale it up, like so, and Ctrl R to add another loop cut, push it towards the edge over here, and let's just select this guy, probably just scale him up a bit, scale him down like so. I think that's a bit too much. Scale him up, but yep, select these two edge. Shift and Alt, G and X, just push them inward like so. Press S to scale them up, and then this guy also press S, scale it up. G and X, push it this way, and S to scale. Somewhere around these lines, and then press tab, select model, press right click, shade smooth. So if I Alt H, you should see this like that. And I'm just gonna select this guy. Now we can, no we can't. Press Shift H, let's go back, and press tab, let's do some editing. Now let's do the iris. So this is the cornea, it has this bulging out going on. This is what we were creating, like that. So we're gonna be mixing the cornea and the sclera, so it bulges out. No, probably not this too much, but then we went a bit overboard with this, because we like it like that. So I'm gonna select press 1, select this point, press Ctrl or Command plus to grow selection until I selected everything, and press Shift D, press Escape, press P to separate this into another piece. And then we'll call this second piece the iris. And this one, double tap, let's give it eyeball, exit that, go back to the iris, press tab, select this guy. Oh, let's go to sculpt mode, let's try something else. Just gonna do sculpt mode, just snap, press G for the grab brush, press F, increase the brush size, almost the same size. We wanna, okay, let's hide this guy because we can't see now. Cool. So we hold down Control, you can do an invert. Now this kind of goes overboard, as you can see, but it kind of helps also. So select this middle point, hold on Control or Command, and just do an invert like that. I'm gonna go back to object mode, right click, shade flat, just want to see this, and then go back to sculpt mode, press F, just gonna see, no, let's make it out like that. I'm gonna go back to edit mode, press Ctrl R, hey, Ctrl R, where are you? Okay, undo that. I'm gonna go back to object mode, select this object, press tab, Ctrl R, my word. Go to edges, Ctrl R. Okay, I'm having problems here. Apparently there's an edge. There's a separation here. Select this, right click, delete vert. No, it's dissolve. Cool. Ctrl R. So I can't Ctrl R here. What I can do, do an edge loop here, and out click GG to slide it like that. Do another edge loop like so. Now we can snap to the side, S to scale, out click, scale this up. Hey, take it easy, boy. Select this vert, push it inwards like so. Almost the same line. Okay, get out of there. I think this is a bit too much. Out, select all of these guys. Probably go to the wireframe mode. Make sure you're not missing anything. Press G to move it in. Put X to move it in the x-axis. Select all of these now. G and X, move them in the x-axis. I think I went a bit too overboard there. Like over here. I think this looks fine. Go back to solid mode. Now I'm gonna go to faces, press 3, press not B. Press 3, and I'm just gonna select all these faces. I'm just gonna delete faces and exit that. Undo to select edge, press Alt click, select edge loop, and E to extrude like that. Snap to the front view, E to extrude. Now it extrudes in the other axis. So what I'll do, I'll just press Ctrl R, edge loop, press escape, select this one, scale it down like so, almost as the size of the pupil. Probably need to scale it up a bit now. Size of a pupil, and then go to the side view, snap it out, press E to extrude, press X like that, EX extrude again, and then EX extrude again, and then now press F to fill that, and we have a huge angle, which is fine, which it won't be even visible. Now we have our iris object. Now if we go back to object mode, you can see our iris object, which is we can be fixed. This guy needs to go back, so go back to tab, select this fella, snap it, press G and X to move it outwards a tad, somewhere along these lines like so. Press tab, right click, shade smooth. Looks about right. Actually, yeah, looks about right. Shade flat again. Probably select this guy, press tab. I'll probably push this guy, G and X, somewhere. No, Press the GNX somewhere over here. Something like that. Probably Adrian and HDP, just for the fun of it. Press tab, shade smooth. To change the shading, there's a bit of shading error here because we need an HDP here. Press tab, we got an HDP here. Probably add another one on the side and just move it inwards. And press 1, we have problems here. So I press 3, select this face, press G. Doesn't look like it anyways. So press 1, just make sure that everything is in place. Press M, merge by distance, and so everything seems fine. Press tab, exit that. We have our iris object. Control S to save the file, and that's that. So we have an eyeball. Open it. And just show it flat for now, which is this guy. And we also have our iris object. So both of these guys have been modeled. So again, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Oh, wait a second, we forgot to rotate these guys. What I'll do, I'm gonna select the iris, hold down shift, I'm gonna parent it with the eyeball. So every time I move this, the iris will move also. Sweet. Now, and then I'm gonna go to snap that, open my beast low poly, then I'm gonna rotate, exit, I'm gonna RWX, snap that, rotate a bit. So it's not responding very well. Somehow it's not rotating well. So let's try to rotate too. It's snapping. Oh, the snapping turned on. I don't know who turned that. Probably me. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm just gonna rotate this guy. Probably about around negative 20 degrees so we can trace it back. Negative 25 degrees. Sounds fair. Press enter. On the Z axis, yeah. R Z. I'll just say R rotate, Z for the axis, and say 25. Press enter. Yep. Looks about right. Cool. Now we have our eye object, which can be modified. Just looking at this mouth over here, this object, if I go back to sculpt mode, we need to just fix this. Go shift and then just hold on shift to smooth this out. It's not looking very nice. By the way, it's not part of the eye, we just got that out effect. So just making sure everything is laying out right. Hold on shift, just fixing that artifact going on there on our polygons, stretching, and even here. Like so. Smooth that out. Again, we have symmetry, so everything is fine. Control S. And again, I thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture.